हेलो एवरीवन। स्वागत है आपका टॉपिक ऑफ द डे में। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं द अग्नि प्राइम मिसाइल। ये टॉपिक रिसेंटली न्यूज में था एज द DRDO सक्सेसफुली टेस्टेड न्यू जनरेशन न्यूक्लियर केपेबल अग्नि प्राइम मिसाइल फ्रॉम द डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम आइलैंड। Now this island is situated off coast Odisha in the Bay of Bengal region और फॉर्मली इसे व्हीलर आइलैंड के नाम से भी जाना जाता था। Now let's talk about the Agni Prime missile. Now this missile is the advanced variant of the Agni class of missiles. इसको fully composite material से बनाया गया है and it is very lightweight. Agni Prime is canisterized surface to surface ballistic missile. Now how does this canisterization help? It actually lessens the time required for the launch and it also improves the storage and mobility of the missile. The range is around 1000 to 2000 kilometers. Now, this missile is significant as it has strengthened the deterrence capabilities and also it gives improved maneuvering and accuracy. Now, if we talk about the Agni class of missiles, first of all, it is a ballistic missile which was built under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Now, this program was the brainchild of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and it was approved by Government of India in 1983. Now, if we talk about the variants of Agni missiles, we have Agni 1, which was launched in 1989. Then we have Agni 2 with a range of 2000 kilometers and it was launched in 1999. Subsequently, Agni 3, Agni 4 and Agni 5 were launched. Agni 5 was launched in 2012 and it is an intercontinental ballistic missile with a range of greater than 5000 kilometers. Also, India has the K4 missile, which is a submarine launch ballistic missile with a range of 3500 kilometers. Now, apart from Agni, we also have the Prithvi missile, which is India's first indigenously developed ballistic missile under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. Now, Prithvi is also a surface-to-surface missile. Both of Agni and Prithvi missiles are used by the Strategic Forces Command, or the Strategic Nuclear Command was formed in 2003, which is a part of our Nuclear Command Authority. अगर हम बात करें इंडिया में मिसाइल टेक्नोलॉजी की हिस्ट्री के बारे में, तो इवन बिफोर इंडिपेंडेंस रॉकेट्स वर यूज्ड बाय द किंगडम्स एज वॉरफेयर टेक्नोलॉजीज। मैसूर के हैदर अली, जो कि अराउंड 1761 से 1782 के दौरान रूलर थे, ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड आयरन केस्ड रॉकेट्स फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इन हिज आर्मी। अब अगर हम पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस एरा की बात करें, तो अ स्पेशल वेपन डेवलपमेंट टीम वाज क्रिएटेड इन 1958, जिसको बाद में डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट लैबोरेटरी कहा गया। इस टीम के अंडर 1972 में प्रोजेक्ट डेविल को लॉन्च किया गया फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मीडियम रेंज सरफेस टू सरफेस मिसाइल। सब्सिक्वेंटली 1982 में द DRDL was working on several missile technologies under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. As we know that India follows no first use nuclear policy, that means we access the right of massive retaliation only if we are struck with nuclear weapons first. Now let's discuss in brief what kind of missiles does India have. The first one is the anti-tank guided missile, which is primarily designed to hit and destroy. For example, Nag missile. Then there is Heli Nag, that is operated from helicopters and will be inducted by 2022. Then there is standoff anti-tank missile or the Sant missile. Next one is the surface to air missile. So as the name suggests, it is launched from the surface to destroy aircrafts. And we have Akash, that is a medium range surface to air missile, and Trishul, which is a short range surface to air missile. If we talk about air to air missiles, we have Astra, which is an all weather beyond visual range air to air missile. It has been developed by DRDO and has a range of 100 kilometers. Also, the Astra missile uses the Ramjet technology. Now we have air to ground missiles. For example, Rudram, which is a new generation anti-radiation missile with a range of 200 kilometers. And we have BrahMos, which is jointly developed by India and Russia. It has a range of 300 to 500 kilometers and it is ramjet powered with a supersonic missile assisted torpedo system. We have recently tested the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, the air version. Let's also talk about the hypersonic technology demonstrated vehicle. Now, this is an unmanned scramjet demonstration aircraft that can travel at hypersonic speed. It is being developed by DRDO and it was tested in 2020 as a carrier vehicle for hypersonic and long-range cruise missiles. Apart from that, it will also be used civilian applications, for example, in the launch of small satellites. The other countries which do have this technology are US, Russia and China. Now let's take up a practice question on this topic. Consider the following statements. First, the Agni Prime missile is a canisterized surface-to-surface ballistic missile. And the second, Project Devil is related to the development of missiles in India. You have to choose the correct statements. You can write your answers in the comment section below. So the correct answer is C, as both the statements are correct. So this was all for today's topic. For more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel. For regular updates, you can also follow us on our social media handles. And you can also read these topics in depth in the current affairs section on our website.